Hey, do you want to control your Apple Watch without even touching the screen? With the double tap gesture, you can manage apps, widgets, calls, music, notification, alarm, etc. Let's see how to enable and use gesture on any Apple Watch, including the Watch 11. Now first, let's go ahead and check out the gesture settings. Press on your crown, go to Settings, scroll down and find the Gestures option. First, of course, make sure gesture is enabled, and then just go to the double tap option. You can slightly customize what you can do with it in music playback. You can select double pinch to play or pause the music or to skip it forward. If you scroll down just a bit, you can select between Advanced and Select. Now, selecting Advanced will scroll through the widgets or apps section by double tap. And the Select option will launch the first widget if you double tap on your home screen. And then by double tapping, you can scroll through inside the app. And in this double tap settings, if you scroll through, you can enable the option to ignore double tap in case you're using Apple Vision Pro. Now let's go ahead and back one step. Here, scroll down, and from here you can enable the wrist flick. So when you flick your wrist, you can go back to your watch face from anywhere instead of pressing the crown. And lastly, in this section is the cover to mute option, which is really handy, so let me tell you. You can go back to AOD by covering your screen with your palm from anywhere, or when there is an incoming call by this gesture, you can instantly mute the call. Now to use the gesture, your watch screen should be turned on. It will not work on lock screen or AOD. Well, let's see a few examples how to use double tap and wrist flick on calls, alarms, and notification. Like when there's an incoming call, you can double pinch to accept it, double tap to end the call, and to reject it, slowly flick your wrist twice to dismiss it. And when there is an incoming text message, you can double pinch to open the reply section, compose the message, and then once again you can double pinch to send the reply. And when there is an alarm, you can either double pinch or cover it with your palm to snooze it. And that's how you can use double tap on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.